This is T-shirt tips Saturday. This is not for the professionals. This is for the amateurs who are starting out. But when you're placing images, I got on a plain shirt because I want to show you a few examples. When you're placing your images and on your text on your shirt, they do not go right here. No one's going to read that. No one's going to see that. Your images go 3 fingers. If you don't have a ruler, put 3 fingers down. And that's where your image or your text start. And I'm going to tell you why. If you have your images or your text starting down here or right here, no one's going to see it. No one's going to be able to read it. If you have it up here, they're going to say, hey, how you doing? Let me see what your shirt say. Oh, that's cute. If it's down here, they're not going to see it. So on the crew neck, you're 3 fingers down. Each shirt is to be placed at a different spot. That really grinds my gears when I see images down here. I can't stand that. I can't stand when they're right here. I don't want to read it. If it's up here, I can see a clear view, a clear image. I'm going to give you an example of a scoop neck and where to place your images and text messages on a scoop neck. Huge mistake I see people doing. On a scoop neck, you can see the difference. My crew neck starts up here. A scoop neck is down here. You want to place your image right under that line on the scoop neck because guess what? When you place that image, when you use that ruler and you place that image using that ruler, guess where your shirt is going to be? Your image is going to be down here and no one's going to see it. So lift it up right underneath that line and you start your image or your text words. Because if I would have used the ruler and I would have did the 3-finger effect on this t-shirt, it would have been on my boobs. You really wouldn't have been able to see it because I got all of my chest and neck out. So the attention will still be where my shirt begins at because that's what people is going to see. So stop doing this, putting those images down here. That gets on my last nerves. Even when you're doing a V-neck, you put that image right under that V. Don't use that little ruler that they send you to that you spending that money for. Don't use that ruler for a scoop neck or a V-neck. Your image is going to be down here and no one is going to see it. You want your image to be up top when somebody's talking to whoever you sell your merchandise to or whoever's wearing your merchandise. You want them to see what you have on your shirt. That's the purpose of the t-shirts. That's the purpose of the sayings, is so people can read the shirt. Don't put that image down here. That grinds my gears. Now, I have a few other tips that I'll be sharing throughout the day.